Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you're new here, hello, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things. And this is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, we're talking about the 2022 Ford Ranger Splash Package. That's right, guys. You all remember the 90s Splash. I remember seeing a whole bunch of those on the road, but the Splash is back. Now, it is an appearance package. Now, there did say that there will be a limited edition Splash trim. That will be in the future. They'll be like theme-based, just limited production throughout the year. We'll have to wait and see more on that. But this Splash package, it's about $1,500. And like I said, it is an appearance package. You see these big stripes going all the way across the vehicle. They're black and they're orange. They look really cool. The lips around the wheel wells, they're painted gloss black. That's a lot of things like the mirror caps and stuff like that. Gloss black accents. The rims themselves, that's an 18-inch rim. It's matte black, so a little bit different there. The front grille, it's a different grille. It's very similar to the Tremor. The little nose pieces are painted a different color compared to the Tremor. And the grille itself, more gloss black. It's a cool little contrast in color. And it really, really pops on this bright yellow paint. And the other cool thing is, it goes into the interior as well. Now the Ranger interior, it's still a pretty nice interior, but it's kind of one solid sheet of color. So it is a little bit boring in that accent. But now we have nice stitching going all the way across. And not only is that nice looking, well, it's orange. It's a cool little contrast in color, and I understand why they did it. It looks a little bit sophisticated, it looks nice, a little bit more luxurious. I would have been cool with just bright yellow seats or bright orange seats or something like that, but that could be a little extreme. I like the old school days. Remember the original Raptor had that crazy orange. But this is a little bit more subdued. This is an appearance package for only $1,500, and it looks good. Little things like this really add to the market, and like I said, there will be those limited edition Splash models in the future. But it's cool to see little changes like this. The Ford Ranger has been a really good seller for Ford. Now it is dated, and we know that there is a replacement model coming in the next few years. But it's cool to see little things like that. I remember the Splash name, so having the Splash come back, well, that's just cool in my opinion. But I want to know what you guys think. What are things you like and don't like about the Splash package in general, and the Ranger in general? Things that you like, you don't like, or wish they did differently. Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. It's about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs. Combustion engines, just like that truck. And EVs, a little of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.